Hey everybody, Michelle Harvey here, also known as Hippie Oil Chick with Happily Oily After, and today I'm outside in the egg chair with the chunk to do another video, and Lucky, to do another video. This month I redeemed some points, and this time I redeemed points on a couple of items that I need and use all the time, and then a couple of items that I just wanted. I had points saved up and I was like, you know what? I'm tired of getting stuff I need, which I love the stuff that I need, but I'm gonna get some things that I normally may not splurge the money on, but because I have free points saved up, let's do it. So let's go ahead and start with the two items I got that I need, and that is 2 boxes of nitro. You guys know I am a nitro fanatic. This one right here, still not sleeping through the night. A lot of exclusively breastfed babies do not, and he is waking up, you know, here and there. He gets a good solid stretch at the beginning of the night, and then after that it's every 2 to 3 hours. But we're good because Mommy has nitro. Nitro has 36 milligrams of caffeine, I believe. It's got B6, B12, D-ribose, green tea extract. Hey, I do look like I'm in a bird cage. I love this chair. I'm so excited. It's finally starting to become warm enough for us to come outside and use it more often. So nitro is a green tea extract supplement for cognitive fitness, and if you guys know anything about mommy brain, or even just not mommy brain but just forgetful, foggy brain, that's why I love this particular supplement. And I do 1 to 2 a day. 2 a day is not a super inexpensive habit, but I think it's worth it. So I freaking love my nitro. So I got those 2 items for free. I got 2 more items for free, and these are the items that I kind of splurged my points on. Free again, and because I have YL Go, I didn't even pay for the shipping. So the first one is the Kabuki brush. This they came out with at convention, and I had been eyeing it. I was never a brush snob before I found Young Living and Savvy Minerals, and now I am a total brush snob, okay? Brushes, for people who are into makeup, so that caffeine is safe for Rainbow Jack. Oh yeah, I mean, it's 36 milligrams, it's less than a cup of coffee. They've found that basically, like, even the same with alcohol, there's so like tiny bits of it that ends up in their breast milk. So it's really, I mean, I just don't overdo it on coffee or caffeine. I don't drink coffee. Anyway, the Kabuki brush, back to the Kabuki brush. I'm a snob for the brushes now. So I got into the Savvy Minerals, and I love so I'm wearing all Savvy Minerals makeup. This is a blending brush. So Savvy Minerals is mineral based, so you spray your brush to apply your foundation. I also use blush, and I use the bronzer, and that kind of does, I don't do all the, what do they call it? Where they actually do the different, I forget what they call it, where they like make their face look thinner with makeup. I don't do all that, but I do kind of put some, you know, different like highlights and lowlights. And so this is a good brush for blending. The bristles are super, super soft. They are a high quality synthetic fiber. Synthetic because you don't want to use animal fur. Well, for one, you know, it may not be very humane, and for two, some people will actually react to what's in the if you're using like animal fur brushes. So high quality contouring, thank you. I couldn't think of it. I don't contour really. I just show up, my face looks like this. So the Kabuki brush was something I splurged my points on. And then last but not least, guys, y'all, I did not need this. I have so many eyeshadows, and I have all of the powder eyeshadows from Young Living. Not all of them, but I have a ton of them. I splurged on the eyeshadow palette. This is the first that they said of several. Oh my gosh, let me tell you why. Because they came out with a actual palette, and I love the mineral one. I love the loose powders, but I kind of missed like the old, you know, like where you just kind of put the brush in it. It's a little less messy. And these days, I'm looking for a little less mess in my life, all right? I just got a whole lot more mess, and that's totally cool with him. But for everything else, I want a little less mess. So these colors, and I know like you can't really tell, they're all the colors that I wear. Like, I'm a neutrals and pink tones girl on my eyes, and that's pretty much everything in this palette. The only one I probably won't use very often is that dark gray, that graphite. I don't tend to do a smoky eye simply because I don't, number one, I don't go out very much, like to where I need to look all sexy, but also because I don't know how to do it very well, and I end up just looking like I have two black eyes. So my friends that are into makeup, my cousins, like, they're super good at makeup, they would just laugh. But yeah, I'm very excited to have this palette. I can't wait to try it out and see how I like it as opposed to the mineral eyeshadows, which I love and I will probably never run out of. They last so long. So anyway, Savvy Minerals, guys, if you don't know, it's free, it's cruelty free, it's free from talc, bismuth, synthetic dyes, all sorts of other crummy stuff that tends to be in the over-the-counter or your conventional makeup that you can buy. So so you have it, Sarah? Yeah, that palette, it's beautiful. I love, love, love the colors and can't wait to try it out. But anyway, all that to say, when you're with Young Living and you're on their Essential Rewards program, you get all sorts of free points and you can redeem them on things like that, like things that you don't necessarily need, but hey, it would be nice to have a little pick-me-up. I do need this. I need this. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about Essential Rewards or about joining Young Living, hit me up. Happily Oily After is the place to be. If you've already been working with somebody, go forth and continue to work with them. It's a fabulous company. The products are amazing. And I will come back at you later on this month, which is only like another week long, with Eric's Essential Rewards order. Oh, you got the bundle. Awesome. I wish I could have gotten the bundle. All right, y'all have a good afternoon. Love you.